Welcome to Top Gears, your trusted destination for the latest car launches, reviews, and automotive updates. Today, we've got some incredibly exciting news that's shaking up the Indian automobile market. A brand new 7-seater car has been launched at just 3.99 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable family vehicles ever introduced in India. Yes, you heard that right, a full-size 7-seater for under 4 lakh rupees. Let's dive deep into what makes this car so special, what features it offers, and why it could become the new favorite for Indian families. A game-changing launch in the budget segment. In a country where compact cars and SUVs dominate the roads, a 7-seater at this price point is a total game-changer. Traditionally, multi-seater vehicles like the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga or Renault Triber come with higher price tags. But this new model brings practicality and affordability together for the very first time. Priced at just 3.99 Indian rupees lakh, Ex-Showroom, this car is targeted towards large families and small businesses that need extra seating without spending a fortune. Design and exterior highlights. Despite its low cost, the car doesn't compromise much on looks. It sports a bold front grille, stylish headlamps, and a tallboy stance that enhances visibility on Indian roads. The overall design is simple yet functional, with enough presence to look like a mini MPV. The car's compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through city traffic while still offering ample space inside. Interior and space. The real magic happens inside. The cabin offers 3 rows of seats, comfortably accommodating up to 7 passengers. The seats are foldable, which allows for flexible luggage space when fewer people are on board. Even the third row, though compact, is usable for children or short trips. The dashboard follows a clean and minimal layout with basic controls, making it easy for first-time drivers to get comfortable. Engine, mileage, and performance. Under the hood, the car features a small yet efficient petrol engine, designed for maximum fuel economy. The engine is expected to deliver around 20 kilometers per liter, which makes it perfect for budget-conscious buyers. While it's not a performance-oriented vehicle, it offers a smooth and reliable driving experience for city use and short highway trips. Safety and features. Safety has not been ignored either. The car includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors in the top variant. Other features include manual air conditioning, power steering, and basic infotainment support, everything you need for daily use. Final thoughts. At just 3.99 Indian rupees lakh, the 7-seater car redefines value for money. It's a perfect option for large families, small business owners, and first-time buyers looking for space and practicality on a tight budget. Stay tuned to Top Gears for more updates, test drives, and detailed reviews on this unbelievable budget-friendly 7-seater.